Hey, I'm Nick, and today I'm going to show anybody who's watching this video how to use an editing device named OpenShot Video Editor to edit and record videos. Alright, so now we are going to go over how to use OpenShot Video Editor. So there's many features of OpenShot Video Editor, so I'm going to go through one by one of them. First is the project files. Now these are the files such as video and audio clips which you will edit together down here. To get video or audio or image clips in, you would drag them from your desktop into this area and it will make a copy of it in here. If you wanted to delete the clip too, you can also just press this and remove it from project. If you want an image, you can also put an image in there, or if you want music, you can put it in. And each will be separated. These are the videos, these are the audios, and this is the image. Quite simple. Let's go over to video preview. As you can see, I have a video inside of this, and it will play the video. But whenever you load up, hey, I'm Nick, and today, such as that. And yeah, next we have, let's go down to the timeline. So first off, we have separate tracks. Now in each track you can put different things, such as if you wanted your image at the start to be down here, you can have your image down in the lower track, and as time goes on, it will switch to the intro, such as that. Say the intro is overlapping the image though, the image will be cut short and you'll have the intro. Okay, now that we got that over with, let's go to this thing. This is the zoom in and zoom out feature. If you want to zoom into the video, you can change the time intervals to get into the nitty-gritty of each and every video segment, or if your video is quite long and you want to get to a different part of it, you can make the video interval longer and you can get to like 7 minutes and 30 instead of, if you're at 15-second intervals, you can only get to 3 minutes. Now let's go over the things you can do with the videos. So first off, right off the bat, you can right click, you can place this cursor anywhere you'd like, and placing it right here, you can right click it and you can slice the video. Now slicing the video would mean separating the video. If I click keep both sides, it would separate the video into two segments. If I clicked keep left side, it would slice the left side off but keep the right side of the video. And similarly, if I click keep right side, it will slice the right side off and keep the left side. If you want to delete a video segment, all you have to do is select the video and press backspace. And most of this stuff you don't really need to care about except for the razor tool. If you select the razor tool, you can cut your video in different moments. If you want to cut it right here, it will cut it. If you want to cut it right here, it will cut it. Okay. Now let's go over the kind of settings of the video. So if you go right here, you can go to properties of the video. Now these properties come in many different things and they're quite unique. So things like such as the location, you can change the location of the video. You can also change other things such as up and down location. You can also do position, rotation, scales, and such stuff like that. Now as you can see, there's these green bars at the bottom of the video. Now these green bars are certain keyframes. Now keyframes you can see there's a keyframe always at the start of the video, and when you change the location of such stuff, it will add a different keyframe into the video, which is pretty interesting. So say at the start your video's rotation is here. As time goes along in the video, you can have a different keyframe and you can change the rotation and you can make it go into a 360. Now with that keyframe, you can see that the video is going all around. I'm going to turn the volume off so you can just see it going in a 360. Just like that. Okay. Cool. And you can also do that with the scaling of the video, like if you want to make it go smaller, like zoom in more or go out more as time goes on. You can see that it's spinning and going out like that. All right. Now that's the basics of OpenShot. There are a few extra things though. Another cool thing with OpenShot Video Editor is its transitions and its effects. So say if we get two video files right here, we can use the transition. Let's go with a simple fade. Now most times you'd want this to be small, and I'm going to add two fades because one singular fade is a bit iffy. Most times you'd want two fades. You'd put reverse transition on the first fade, so it would fade out as the video ends, and then this one, no reverse transition, so the video would fade in. Alright, let's look at the transition. As you can see, this one fades out. Then there's a bit of a buffer. You can fix that by moving the transition back a bit. But you can see that the outro fades in. Alright. Now there's also effects that you can use on the video. So say I have a video right here, and say I also have an image. And most times you'd want a blur effect on a video if you added like an image above it, so your focus would be more on the image. Now let's add the blur effect to the video, and as you can see, the video is blurry, but the image is just fine. Okay. Now, finally, the last thing I want to show is just the title button. So, say you want a title above an image or a video. You can press the title, and you can add different types of titles. So say I just want a title such as the cloud title. You can put the title's name right here, video, and also a subtitle, the video. You can change the font, the text color, and the background color of the video title, but you would place it, you would save it, and it would come up in your project files. So say I want an image, and I want the video title above it. You can see that it's more like a PNG, so the video title would be above the image. And that is all you need to know about OpenShot Video Editor. Thanks for watching my OpenShot Video Editor tutorial, and I'll see you guys later.